FM radio receiver. RF amplifier. Antenna receives the incoming signal and passes it to the RF amplifier where the unwanted signals are filtered out and the resulting signal thus obtained is amplified. Mixer. The signal is then passed to the mixer which also receives signals from the local oscillator. Mixer produces two outputs, the sum of the two frequencies and the differences. Local oscillator. It is an electronic circuit that produces a periodic, oscillating electronic signal, often a sine wave or a square wave. IF amplifier and filter. The output of the mixer is called intermediate frequency. IF filters out the specific, required frequencies from the output band. Demodulator. The demodulator consists of a limiter which removes any noise in the form of amplitude variations and a discriminator which is used to recover the input signal from the modulated signal. The signal is then passed to the speaker via the amplifier. Transistors. The transistors T1 along with T2 are the components of preselector which are used to detect useful modulated signal from the spectrum bands. Oscillator. It consists of a capacitor and an inductor. The capacitance of the capacitor is varied by rotating one of its plates and thus its frequency can be changed. Role of coupling capacitor C1 is demodulation and the role of bypass capacitor C2 is to remove noise from the output signal. The signal is then passed to the speaker. Audio amplifier. The non-inverting operational amplifier amplifies the signal. Variable resistance. The volume of the output signal can be varied by varying the resistance. Coupling capacitor. Another capacitor, C3, is used for removing any DC component present in the output signal. The local oscillator has a variable capacitor and the capacitance can be changed by rotating one of its plates and thus the frequency can be varied. The RF amplifier actually passes a frequency band. Now suppose we need to tune in to 93.5 FM. We will set the oscillator capacitance such that its frequency corresponds to 93.5 MHz so as to resonate with the 93.5 MHz signal from the band that was passed through the RF amplifier. The sound that we get now is clear because of resonance.